In this video, I'll be showing you how to get YouTube Kids on your Mac. Now, whether it's your MacBook or your iMac, getting YouTube Kids is fairly simple. Now, as you all know, if you've already tried installing YouTube Kids from the App Store, it is not available. So if you want to get YouTube Kids, you're going to go ahead and open up Safari, and then you're going to type in the word YouTube Kids, and you're going to open up the site for it. Once you've opened up the site, you don't necessarily need to be logged in, but you can be if you want to. And then all you're going to do is come to the top of your screen here and you should see File. So you're going to select File and you're going to look for the option Add to Dock and you're going to select it. Next, all you need to do is simply give this shortcut a name. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply select Add. From here, you can now just go ahead and close that web page. And now you'll see on your dock, you have YouTube Kids. So whenever you select it, you can go ahead and launch YouTube Kids on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.